Amazon FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon, and it's a process where Amazon have allowed small businesses to sell their products on Amazon's website and use Amazon's fulfillment centers and delivery network to get those products to customers who buy on Amazon. That's why it's called Fulfillment by Amazon. So we've been selling on Amazon since about 2015, and before then I was doing digital marketing and SEO services for digital products and local businesses. But after that, since selling on Amazon, we've had a couple of products get to bestseller and Amazon's choice. We've made over £300,000 on Amazon, and some of our students who we've taught have also started making a lot of money. £50,000, one of our students. It's incredible. So we find our training is different because we personally really help our students to get to their first product. That's one of the biggest hurdles. And many of these courses online, the main guru, the guy behind it, he just sells you the course and vanishes and maybe puts you into a Facebook group. But we like to really personally help our students get their first product up. So if you start taking training with us, we will make sure that you get your first product up online. We'll personally make sure of it. So we offer free training on our website. We have 3 videos, a 3-video series. We've got tons of other free content on YouTube and on our website, azonu.net. But specifically, the best training that we've made concise is our 3 free video training. And we'll leave a link somewhere if you want access to that. You can probably find a link below.